there? My name is David Duford from buylifeinsuranceforburial.com, and today's video is to give you some inside information on Colonial Penn whole life insurance. I'm a life insurance agent that helps people just like yourself find life insurance that's going to cover their final expenses, who want it affordably, and the key to make sure that is of good value as well. And the truth about Colonial Penn and their whole life insurance product will probably shock you. But that's the reason why I'm making this video, because I've literally sat down with hundreds of people who have had Colonial Penn, and by simply showing them some of the fine print, they've been shocked to see how the Colonial Penn product was not in their best interest. So let me explain. Colonial Penn does what's called a guaranteed issue life insurance product. If you watch their commercial with Alex Trebek or you read some of their sales material, you'll notice it'll always say guaranteed acceptance. We don't ask you any health questions, and they make it sound like it's a selling point, that is to your advantage. Well, what they say is to your advantage is not actually to your advantage. Here's the reason why. If you think about it, you probably have heard the phrase, you never get something for nothing. You know, and in the life insurance business for final expenses, you're not going to get the best value if people don't know your health. Now, you may have health problems if you're listening to this, but that still doesn't mean you can't get a better value. What Colonial Penn wants to convince you of is their whole life product is the best thing. It's the cat's meow, as my mom would say. And so here's the problem with the product. Guaranteed issue means they don't ask you any health questions, which means they don't know if you're on your deathbed, if you just got a few issues, maybe like COPD or diabetes, or maybe you had a heart attack years ago, or you're perfectly healthy. Point is they take everybody and anybody who expresses interest and assumes the worst. Life insurance companies are designed to make money and assume the worst, okay? And the way they do that, here's the catch, is they do not cover you for natural causes fully for the first 2 years of your insurance that you pay for it. Which means if you die within the first 2 years of natural causes, they will not pay the full death claim. They will refund your money to your beneficiary plus 7% interest, which mathematically is not a lot of money. So why is this a problem? Well, look, if you're like me, we don't know when we're going to die. Now, I sell life insurance, and I've been shocked by people that I've sold insurance to who are now gone, who are otherwise perfectly healthy. That died within the first 2 years. I can think of a gentleman, actually two, in Georgia, one who was in perfect shape when he took it out at 70, and then he discovered he had brain cancer a year later and died within 2 to 3 months. It was such a sad occasion, but if he had had Colonial Penn, they wouldn't have paid the $20,000 in death claims that were paid out. I had another gentleman, the same deal. 6 months after he took the plan out, perfectly healthy, had some issues very long time ago, he died. Had he had Colonial Penn or any of these other guaranteed issue companies, he would not have had the coverage left to his family and his wife. That's the key. Because if you're looking for some kind of life insurance product, I think that you know deep down you want to get the best value, not just a good price. And the key is to get as much coverage as quickly as possible, as well as get it for the best price. If this is something that you didn't know about, that you're not wanting to get now, I hope not, and you want to try to find and work with somebody who's going to give you the best value, I highly encourage you step over to my website. It's buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. There I've got more information on insurance products. If you go down here at the bottom of the video, there's a link you can click to. It'll take you to my website where you can fill a form out to contact me, where I or one of my people that I work and partner with will speak with you personally about other options that are superior to Colonial Penn's. My name is David Duford at buylifeinsuranceforburial.com. Please click on the link below and feel free to reach out to me if I can help you. Thanks so much for listening. Take care.